Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter. This is summary of the poem and then we will do the question answer. In the first stanza, the poet describes the bird perched high up on the rock with a sense of admiration. So in the first stanza, poet is describing about the bird. The poet describes that the bird is sitting on a high rock and bird is admiring each and everything. Means bird is watching each and everything. The birds hold lightly to the rock with his iron-like talona and stands still against the gusty wind. So what bird is holding? Bird is holding a rock and continuously what is flowing? Continuously gusty wind, very powerful wind is blowing that sweeps against him. He appears close to the sun than to the earth. Due to the majestic height of his position, he is circled by the blue sky. So, wherever he is sitting near the sun in a lonely land, means where no human beings is present. He is sitting near the sun and he is sitting at a majestic height. Majestic means where impressive beauty we can see. So, he is sitting at a majestic height of his position and he is circled by the blue sky. Blue sky means, as you know, the entire world is what? Entire world is azure. Azure means blue sky. Means the entire sky is covered with what? Blue. Right? Because the color of the sky is what? Blue. Right? Now, in the second stanza, the poet describes the sea. It appears to the bird. The huge rolling waves of the sea are reduced to the wrinkles from the great height. Okay, now in the second stanza what happened? Poet has described about the sea and sea waves are continuously moving, waves are continuously crawling, they are continuously moving, and in the last line what happened? The bird fall like a thunderbolt to the sea. Now what happened? Bird fall means bird is what? It is falling from the mountain to the directly to the sea. Like what? Like a thunderbolt means a flash of lightning that comes at the same time as the noise of thunder and that hits something. Okay, so this was the climax of the poem, that in the end the eagle falls from the mountain to the sea. Okay, now so what was poem all about? That in the poem we have discussed that there was a bird, there is a creature, and that creature is what? Eagle. Eagle is perched. Perched means eagle is sitting on a rock, mountain, and he is holding a piece of a rock, and gusty wind is blowing, means continuously wind is blowing over there, and he is near the sun in a lonely land, means where he is sitting near the sun and where no one is present, no human being is present, right? So in the second stanza we have discussed that continuously river, a sea is flowing, right? And at the end what happened? The eagle falls down from the mountain directly to the sea. Okay, so this was all about the poem. Now the eagle symbolizes the power. The poem shows majesty and power of nature. So what eagle is symbolizing? Eagle is symbolizing about the power. The poem shows majesty and power of nature. What poem is showing us? Poem is showing us majesty. What is majesty? Majesty means impressive beauty and power of nature. As you know, nature is very beautiful and it is very impressive. And if you will go and if you will sit on the mountain and then you will observe each and everything, then it will seems very beautiful, means it will look very beautiful whenever you will go to a higher position and you will observe the entire beauty of nature. And this is what which is happening with the eagle. Eagle is also sitting at a higher position and eagle is observing each and everything in a very beautiful manner. So that is why we are symbolizing eagle as a power. The eagle lifestyle suggests action of a king or a director. How eagle is behaving? Eagle is behaving like a king. As you know, eagle is sitting at a higher position. he is observing each and everything, he is having supreme power, he is observing impressive beauty of the nature. So that is why his life is compared to a king. Okay, now come to the word meanings. Crag. What do you mean by crag? A high, steep, rough mass of rock. As you know, a rough mass of rock is known as what? Is known as crag. Azure. What is azure? Azure means sky blue. As you know, the world is what? The world is azure, means sky blue. Okay? Thunderbolt. What is thunderbolt? A loud flash of lightning with a crash of thunder. Okay? Means a loud flash. जब बहुत तेजी से क्या होती है? Lightning होती है. With a crash of thunder. और उसके साथ ही क्या होता है? बिजली कड़कती है. Now, what is the where is the eagle perched? What do you think he is able to see from his perch? Now, question is that where eagle is sitting, and question is that from that place what eagle can see. The eagle is sitting, the eagle is perched on a high, steep and rugged rock. Okay, as you know, eagle is sitting on a rock mountain and he is able to see the blue sky from his perch. Means wherever he is sitting, from that place he can see the blue sky. Okay, now which line in the poem suggests that the eagle likes to stay away from human habitation? आपको किस लाइन से पता चलता है कि ईगल ह्यूमन हैबिटेशन में नहीं रहना चाहता, लोगों के पास नहीं रहना चाहता? He do not want to stay with people. The line close to the sun in lonely land suggests that eagle likes to stay away from human habitation. This line which is saying close to the sun in lonely land means where no one is present and he is sitting close to the sun. This lines tell us that he wants to be isolated and he do not want to live with humans. Okay, now the eagle perch is a good lookout or a vantage point for him. Justify this statement. Okay, the eagle perch is a good lookout means wherever eagle is sitting is a good lookout means he can see each and everything, or a vantage point. Vantage means a place from where you can have a good view of each and everything. So you have to justify this statement, you have to tell. So the eagle perch is a good lookout or a vantage point for him means wherever eagle is sitting is a good lookout means is a good place to see each and everything, to observe each and everything. It is high enough on the mountains. As you know, he is sitting at a higher position on a mountain and close to the blue sky. Where he is near the blue sky. Okay, it provides a good view of everything, and since he is sitting at a higher position, he can see each and everything, he can observe each and everything all around as well as down also below the mountain side. Okay, now next question. What expression conveys the speed and accuracy of the word? From which expression you can understand about the speed and accuracy of the word? So that expression what means, कौन सी लाइन से आपको पता चलता है कि उसकी स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी के बारे में? The expression like a thunderbolt he falls means what expression we have used? Like a thunderbolt. जैसे जो बिजली कड़कती है ना, उस तरह से वो क्या हो रहा है? फॉल हो रहा है. जैसे बिजली क्या होती है, कितनी तेजी से कड़कती है ना? तो उस तरह से वो क्या हो रहा है? गिर रहा है. He is falling from mountain to the sea. This line conveys the speed and accuracy of the eagle. From this line we have understood that what is the speed and what is the accuracy of the eagle means how fast he is going. Okay. Now, how does the poet describe the eagle in the poem? Poet ने eagle को किस तरह से describe किया है? The eagle is described as a majestic and powerful creature. Means eagle is described as what? Majestic means impressive beauty, and powerful creature means the most powerful creature in the poem. Watching everything means he is watching everything, he is seeing everything, he is observing everything that is happening around him. Means everything which is going on around him, he is watching each and everything from a past high above. Means from sitting at a higher position. He likes to stay isolated from everyone. Means isolated means to live alone. वो अकेले रहना चाहता है from everyone. His speed and accuracy have been likened to a thunderbolt immense and swift. उसकी जो स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी है उसको हमने किससे कंपेयर किया है? थंडरबोल्ट से. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What feeling does the reader get on reading about the image of the eagle in the poem? Means when you read the poem, what feeling do you get? A reader can sense the power, supremacy and majesty of the eagle while reading the poem. Means whenever you will read the poem, you can understand that how powerful eagle is, how supreme eagle is, and how majesty means impressive beauty eagle is. Okay, when you will read the poem. Okay, so this was all about the lesson. You have to write down the summary of the poem. First of all, you will write down the date. After that, write down the summary of the poem. After that, theme. Then you will write down word meanings, and then after that, question answer. Hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.